How to work with corporate clients. First, you have to get them to sign and provide the following documents. Number 1, notice of articles, certificate of registration. Annual report is for making sure their company is still in good standing. Company memorandum, authorized signing officer. Corporate FinTrack, and signing officer's individual FinTrack and photo ID. The CPS, all names are company names on the buyer or the seller. Signature can only be the authorized signing officer or all directors. Memorandum is something to authorize a signing officer. For example, this could be one of the templates you can use. Name, company name, address, and we directors authorize someone, driver's license, to be sole signing officer for the transaction of the property that located on which street. He will have the full signing authority to all matters related to this transaction, and then all signing officers' name, signatures, and date. Warning: make sure you check on BC Online to see if the notice of article is the most up-to-date, because if they have change of director or change of name or change of anything, you should know about it.